All right, ladies, are you ready to win?
I am. I'm ready to win.
Okay, I'm tired and I'm ready to finally win. And you know what we're going to do on September 27th?
Tell us.
We're going to win together.
I love it.
Okay, that's why we brought Chauncey on, because Chauncey, what are you going to help do?
I'm definitely going to talk to people about tapping into their authentic selves to build their businesses and just no fluff. I'm so sick of these conferences that we go to.
Yes.
You walk away feeling really energized, but you don't have anything tactical. So I'm really hoping to bring something tactical to you as a woman to help you win.
We love that. Michelle?
Beautiful. Oh, and at the end of the day, we're going to take all the tactics we've learned, and I'm going to give you a plan to put them together so that you can start winning on October 1st.
And you know what? As a previous stuck person in my own mind with all of my impediments and everything else, I'm going to help you break those chains we can put all of these things in motion. You too can start Q4 off as a winner. And you know what? Let's set that foundation for 2025. So join us on September 27th at MetroTex so you can win with us, because we want you winning too.
Love it. Can't wait to see you there.
Yeah, good.
Way better.
Okay.
Way better. Good job.